Okay, so at 1600 hours, there's a high chance of thunderstorms tomorrow at 1600 hours, so if there is, I'll get it all on video. Okay, it's getting really, really dark now. I'm assuming there's gonna be a thunderstorm tonight, but I can see over there that is pretty dark, very dark to be honest. So I'm just gonna head back inside because it's actually heading right towards us.
Sorry, did you want to do that? Everyone out now! Can't run forever, bring on.
Notice how it's blue over there, and then on the right it's gray, a gray curve. That's the storm I am talking about, and it looks pretty bad. So whether or not the Weather Channel might update the app for the upcoming hours, I won't be sure if this storm will turn into some type of thunderstorm. But I think I can tell because of how strong the winds are. It's gonna be bad. The rain has just started coming in, and even the wind. I do not like how the clouds are forming. It's pretty creepy, to be honest, but I know it's not gonna be absolutely terrible.